ego to affect mono sana sengencho ground maite bona abantu bari bachagete gosera abantu ebanereti abantu ngabono kero gochiko bakwanira gwikotware chibesa gokora ki okoba bono sometimes nabo okogenda asega kwanyora ogwetano nyempara kwa iguno nye the youths mweshimiwa tosere torenchara. Sometimes you just face them direct kwa batebia yabonega momanyete bia bonega timbo atibesa but ki toranyore nabo togocha gokora ki togocha gosangamo. You just talk to them nicely na baba gotegerera nande bono okonyara most of the time tokoba limited kogenda nonye a lot of functions gose personally nche bonega na oboire korangeri nonye meetings including the family meetings simply because abantu bamenyete once waswere siasa igono bwate chibesa bonego tobe kombera akongwake ochaka korangeria abantu bachincha ko batebi sera chirichane ngorete ki chirimbwate. So most of the time I prefer ekera matangare because it is a gathering a reformed that in chana barangeri bono such forums no konyora very easy kwa ikagali kwa bakwanira kwa batebi what you want na ne batategera but as time goes by na botokonya gosabenga nyasa atu igorere atwe obongeni nechisemi na nde atutumere destiny helpers na bokonyora batobwatira kwa boko so that in future to chego kwanya abantu ba from the various places that we are coming from.
Yes.